under the rules po, and decided cases ng Supreme Court, initiation happens when the impeachment complaint is endorsed to the House Committee on Justice. Hindi ho nangyari yun doon sa tatlong unang impeachment complaints eh. Ngayon, ito pong current impeachment complaint, hindi na kinakailangan dumaan doon because nakuha na yung more than 1/3 na endorsement ng mga congressman. Kapag ganun po, yung articles, yung impeachment complaint becomes the articles of impeachment itself. Yun ang sagot.
And
So hindi ho na violate yung 1-year bar rule because yung tatlo na naunang impeachment complaint hindi ho nakaabot eh doon sa referral to the Committee on Justice. So walang na violate na one year bar rule.